This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. Beautiful condo in Tarleton Oaks. This freshly painted 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home boasts an open floor plan with gleaming hardwood floors throughout the downstairs. The focal point of the great room is a lovely gas fireplace. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. The home has many updated lighting fixtures. All appliances, including new dishwasher, convey, including the washer and dryer. 1-car garage with extra storage built in. Large primary bedroom with surround sound and an ensuite bath that includes a garden tub and custom tile. The private outdoor, patio/garden area, is perfect for entertaining. Many amenities to include clubhouse, ground maintenance, 2 pools, paid water and sewer, master insurance policy, and trash pickup. Convenient to shopping, fine restaurants, interstates, bases, and the beach. See it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.